Someone has rightly said, love is blind. And these words manifested into a reality as a couple, both completely blind, entered into a marriage, marking the beginning of their lifetime journey of love. In a heartwarming event in Ribhoi district, a courageous young man, despite being visually impaired, made the bold choice to marry a woman with low vision from Assam. The beautiful wedding ceremony took place on February 9 at Nongpok Parish, where Father James Money, in the presence of Nongpok Parish priest Father Peter Imle and nuns who officiated the wedding with a holy mass, sanctifying their union. The couple, Gabriel Nongrum from Umskun village in Ribhoi district and Namika Haloy from Assam, both face unique challenges due to their visual impairments. Yet with unwavering determination and mutual consent, they embrace the challenge of building a life together, defying societal norms and expectations. Gabriel worked as an accessibility tester in the IT sector at Barrier Break Company, Mumbai, where Namika serves as a customer care executive at Vindhya of E-Info Media Private Limited, Bangalore.
Larangi dunane, larangi dona kikmat ne kekeru, kamsong haka jiduna, hande kasong katno filong independent haka, katno filong independent simen, hande da filong independent larafi, yu iki kikmat magradu, ngam try bakan long success ba fin lawan simen kali kawai kajin long independent kade bakong santam